মালদ্বীপ আগে এক গোল দিয়ে লইব।
মালদ্বীপ আগে এক গোল দিয়ে দেবো?
কথাটা বুঝেন না এখন। ব্যাটিং সাইড দেখছেন, ব্যাটিং সাইড ছোট দলের আগে গোল দিয়ে লয় না, তা মালদ্বীপ এক গোল দিয়ে লইব।
আচ্ছা, মালদ্বীপ এক গোল দিয়ে তারপর ইন্ডিয়া জিতে যাবে?
হ্যাঁ, এরপর জিতে দেবে।
I'm off to the SAF Cup and India play Maldives in the final in Dhaka, and it's just going to be a short trip. It's just going to be a one-day thing in Bangladesh. This is my first time in Bangladesh, and I'm actually going back to the country where my grandparents were born. So I'm really looking forward to it, and stay tuned. Hope India win. There are a number of ways you can travel to Dhaka from Calcutta. Recent flight is one of them. Another way to travel is by train and or by a direct bus. But for the bus and the train, you need to go and book your tickets at the counter. You cannot book it online. You need the visa to as a proof of evidence of your eligibility to travel. As for the visa, probably people think that getting a Bangladesh visa is the easiest. It's actually quite the opposite. There's no way you can get a visa on time if you have 3 or 4 days in hand. If you apply yourself, you have to go via an agent, and all of these agents, they charge anything between $1,800 to $2,000, and whereas the visa should be free. You shouldn't be paying anything for the visa, but they say that we have to pay the officers, we have to bribe them and stuff like that, to get your visa out within a day or two. So yeah, this is just bureaucracy and unfortunate circumstances which we live in still in 2018 to get we have to pay to get our things done. So just arrived in Dhaka. This is country number 13 for the foodie traveler, and I'm looking forward to today. It's not very flashy airport, but it's looks like to do with some renovation. So I've been looking around some of these money changers. There are quite a few of them over here, one after the other, and all of them offer different rates. None of them offer the same rate. If you move, there's no real pattern. Like in general, if you go to other airports, if you move further away from the immigration counter, the rates seem to get better. But here, one of them orders about 1.20 for the rupee, and the rest are offering about 1.16, 1.18. So we're outside the Bangabandhu Stadium. So the Bangabandhu Stadium basically means Friends of Bengal or Friends of Bangla. That's what it translates to. And there seems to be a big crowd over here. There's a lot of people who've come. I'm not sure if they've come for the match because there seems to be, a shopping mall, or it's like a lot of shops around, and also there are a couple of stadiums. It's like a stadium complex. So they have some roller skating rink, then they have some indoor I think tennis court or something like that. So it seems to be like a sports complex. So I'm not really sure whether the crowd is for the football or it's for something else.
India team is doing so well in those days. We have seen that Indian team has
Especially in ISL.
especially in ISL.
We follow ISL.
We follow ISL. From ISL, they got more talent before previous. Then once upon a time, India and Bangladesh were equal team, but now Indian
They're far better than us.
than us now.
They're doing great.
They're doing great. We can see their ranking is also so high in stuff. So you can say that
Maybe they will play in FIFA World Cup within some year, I guess.
yes, I guess
I wish our Bangladesh would be
we'll also
same,
same with like them.
same play like Indians.
So who do you know from India? Like which players do you know?
Sunil Setri, I know.
And Baichung Bhutia.
Baichung Bhutia
He
is a
used to
legend.
play.
Now
he's an
Indian
ex-Indian
legend.
player.
Now Sunil Setri is the Indian. I think he is the captain and he's the best player of Indian team. I think he scored equal like Messi. Messi and he has the same score in Indian national football. In 1986 to 1990, Bangladesh local football was too famous.
Too good.
You can see everywhere audience was
And the president of SAF, Kazi Salahuddin,
he was also a great player of Bangladesh
used to play football.
history.
He was a great football
But
player.
day by day, the development of Bangladesh football becomes so low,
So low.
in the grade, and
It needs to be more.
But why do you think it has gone down?
I think guidance, the lacking
We
of
need
guidance,
proper guidance.
there is not
Yes.
proper guidance.
13 years old.
The kids who are from poor kids can play good football. We cannot proper guide them. This is a great loss for us.
Actually, the kids nowadays, they need proper guidance from the Bangladesh Football Federation. If it can be
Now
properly happen, then something will be very good.
Now in this era of Kazi Salahuddin era, you can see this is now happening.
The empty stadium doesn't mean we don't like football or we don't love football. We love football from bottom of the heart, but for the recent results of our Bangladesh team was too low, below expectation. So that's why we are hurt. Maybe the spectators, they are also hurt. That's why they are not today in the stadium, and Bangladesh also not today in the final. That's why people don't come to the stadium for see the football and enjoy the football. Because we don't enjoy it anymore.
Like
From this country.
enjoy Spanish league.
The way we enjoy Spanish League or EPL, we
There-
just don't have that things or that
Quality of
standard and quality.
standard of football or
Yes.
footballers that they have. Nowadays we can see India have a great
Yeah, that-
talented player.
Once upon a time, India used to have same issue. They have
But
go
their
there,
management,
go up there.
their management is the great has great
Maybe
effect
the
on
Nita
their
Ambani
football,
issues.
on football that they do develop day by day their football.
Therefore, they are doing good and we are not doing good.
All the best. You will do better. You will do better in the future.
In future, inshallah, pray for us.
Hoping for the
Going
best.
for the best. Inshallah, one day Bangladesh and India will play.
Play in FIFA World Cup. Yeah.
Hope we will see these two teams
The
in
final
final
between
match.
Bangladesh and India, and we will
That will be
enjoy
a great
very
enjoyment
much.
for us. Inshallah, one day.
For India, jersey number 1, Vishal Kayet. Jersey number 2, Ranjan Singh Salam. Jersey number 3, Shubhashish Bose.
So I have to be very careful with how I'm shooting the video, because if I get caught, I'll get chucked out. So, I'm trying to hide this as much as possible. The national anthems have been played out, and the team is about to take the field. And come on, India, we can do this. Yeah, come on. So it's half-time at Bangabandhu Stadium and India are losing 1-0. And India has missed a lot of chances. You know, centre forward, he's had many opportunities to put it in the back of the net, but he hasn't been able to do so. The wing play has been pretty decent and it's been pretty good. The good crosses coming in, but finishing has been pretty awful. So what needs to be done in the second half is we need to improve on our finishing, and also just notice that you know, a lot of the home fans are supporting Maldives, and Maldives also have a decent contingent who's been chanting throughout the first 45 minutes. So even we have a few fans up there, but you know, let's see if I can go up and make them a little more inspired. So from the second half, I'll be in the stands. Footy Traveller standing off from the ground, moving into the stands. Inqilabi Indian Football.
It's the final between India and Maldives. When there was the first league match, India versus Sri Lanka, I was the lone guy here supporting India, and then I brought my friends here, and you can see now there are lots of guys here. And so whichever, win or lose, it doesn't matter for us. We are Team India and we are India.
We love you, India!
So India lose the match 2-1, but you know, what to do? You know, it's a game of football. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose, but it's okay. But to me today was the biggest learning was, you know, no matter what, whether your country wins or loses, always support your team. And these and the fans in the stands today, they did the same. There were students, a lot of them are coming from India who study in Bangladesh, study medical in Bangladesh, and they supported the team throughout the 90 minutes. Even when we are down 2-0, they kept chanting, they kept, you know, the chants weren't really as coherent as the ones you would meet with the Blue Pilgrims, but then again, you know, chanting doesn't have any definition as long as you know, show your support for your country, no matter what you sing or what you play, as long as you shout and give your 90 minutes for the team, I think that's more important. And these guys have done that, and I'm, you know, absolutely amazed. And it's not just about the Indians who came here, even a lot of Bangladeshis who you know, in support of India. You know, there were a lot of Bangladeshis who were supporting Maldives as well, but a lot of them came and told me, you know, don't feel bad. It's a game of football. You will always have the next time. And I realized that, you know, I might be really heartbroken today, but it doesn't matter. You know, as long as you keep supporting your country, that's what matters the most to me. And I hope that is more important to you. So before you take out any of your frustration on the Indian team, realize that these guys are young kids. They're under 23 kids. They're still learning, and they did fantastically to reach the finals. So, you know, instead of slagging them on social media, give them the support that they need, and inspire them to become greater and better players tomorrow, so that, you know, fans like them, you know, can turn up for every game and support their country, no matter where they are. You know, in Bangladesh, in India, in UAE, wherever they are. So these are the humans of football, and this is what is necessary for the growth of football in our country. Inqilabi Indian Football, Revolution Indian Football. It doesn't matter if we win or lose, always support the Indian team. Thank you.